Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video how to separate first name and last name in a Microsoft Excel. So get started. At first, open your Excel document. Firstly, then you show the is name chart. This full name is the separate to the first name and last name. Firstly, select your click for the first name and write the first name, the text Mahmoud. Then also option is the control plus A. That's all first name is the show. Then last name is the Arab Nafar, right? That's all columns is the control A. That's it. That's okay. Then we show the separate the first name and last name in Microsoft Excel. It's very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for